Hello, hello, hello. I am Reverend Sharon Renee, Unity Minister, and I want to welcome you to this week's episode of Sunday Inspirations. And today we're going to talk about Unity's 5-step prayer process, which is prayer combined with meditation, and so I call it medipration. So let's get started. So the way that in Unity, in this 5-step prayer process, we go into relaxation. So taking that deep breath, relaxing, and getting into that space. So no cell phones, turn them off, get away so that you can take those deep breaths, relax. And I usually start with 3 really deep breaths, 3 deep cleansing breaths, and then find my normal breathing. And one of the things you can do is you can just focus on breathing in and out. Your mind does not stop working, and so thoughts are going to come like this. They're going to be dancing. Don't forget to buy bread. Don't forget, don't forget, don't forget. And instead of concentrate, get out of my head, go, get out of my head. Just say thank you for sharing. Just note it and keep going. Then the next step is concentration. And concentration is also in that point where we set our intention. So it might be, Divine Beloved, thank you for assisting me with forgiveness. And in that, you are focusing on forgiving the situation, setting that up. Thank you, God, that I easily forgive. This is where you can come up with your affirmations and your denials. Thank you, God, that I am an essence of love, therefore forgiveness is easy. And you say these things until you find that spot, that sweet spot of that feels right. And you allow that to take you into the meditation. And so again, if this was on forgiveness, you're seeing yourself being free from holding grudges against others. You're seeing relationships healed. You're seeing life being good. So in this meditation, you're actually starting to take it into the future, which is the next step, the realization. Realizing that with God, all things are possible. With God, I can create this new life. With God, this life already exists. There is already crops in the field. Everything is fruitful. I have this in my life. And so you can start seeing it, of taking it from the future, being into the present, being now, in that realization that we have the power within us, we have God within us, and therefore all things are set right. And then we come out of it with appreciation. Thank you, God, for the healing in my life. Thank you, God, that these situations are healed. Thank you, God, that I am in the space of love and grace, and I am grateful. So that's an example of the Unity 5-step prayer process. But here's the thing, is that you get these little moments throughout the day. Just take a deep breath, calm yourself, center yourself, and be present. Because being present is where the presence is felt. That's where we feel that continued presence of God. And Einstein would meditate for days on end when he was trying to solve a universal problem, or he was trying to see what was going on with the universe. He would spend days in meditation. Now, he would come out, right, and go back in. But his whole thing was to allow himself to connect with the power within and within the universe, to see how everything worked and how things happened, and to see the theories and to see the movement and the wonderful energy of the universe. He connected with the divine power within. And that's what Charles and Myrtle did with Unity and being Unity founders, is that they found that through affirmation, meditation, visualization, they healed themselves, and in turn were lights to help others find their own healing through the same process. So here's to your taking the moments to meditate, to affirm, to follow the Unity 5-step prayer process. And may you have a beautiful day, and recognize that the fields are already fruitful and your desires are already made manifest. And so it is. Namaste.